1972 Eisenhower $1 Part 1. What if the 1972 $1 coin sitting in your collection could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars? Most people see this large American dollar coin as ordinary, but experienced collectors know that certain 1972 Eisenhower dollars are among the most desirable modern U.S. coins. Welcome back to CoinGrove, your trusted destination for rare coin discoveries, genuine mint errors, valuable varieties, and accurate collector information. In today's video, we will explore everything you need to know about the 1972 United States $1. We will cover its history, design, specifications, mint marks, rare varieties, mint errors, grading, and real market values. Stay with CoinGrove until the end because one small detail on your coin could make a huge difference in its value. Paragraph 1 History of the 1972 Eisenhower dollar. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar is one of the most famous large-sized dollar coins produced by the United States Mint. It was introduced shortly after the death of President Dwight D. Eisenhower to honor his service as both a five-star general during World War II and the 34th President of the United States. The Eisenhower dollar series began in 1971 and continued until 1978, making it the last large circulating dollar coin issued by the United States. During the early 1970s, the government wanted to provide Americans with a durable dollar coin for commerce while also celebrating an important national leader. The coin quickly became popular among collectors because of its impressive size and patriotic design. Although many examples entered circulation, a large number were also saved by collectors from the beginning. Today, the 1972 Eisenhower dollar remains one of the most collected modern U.S. coins. Its historical significance and collectible varieties make it an important part of American numismatics. Every collector should understand the unique story behind this remarkable coin. Paragraph 2 Obverse Design. The obverse of the 1972 Eisenhower dollar features a detailed portrait of President Dwight D. Eisenhower facing left. The portrait was designed by chief engraver Frank Gasparo and captures the president with a dignified and realistic appearance. Around the portrait appears the word Liberty, while the national motto "In God We Trust" is displayed on the left side of the neck. The date 1972 is positioned at the bottom of the coin. Collectors carefully examine the portrait for strike quality, surface preservation, and original mint luster. Sharp hair details and clean facial features are important indicators of a well-struck coin. High-grade examples show very few contact marks despite the coin's large size. The obverse honors one of America's greatest military leaders and presidents. It remains one of the most recognizable designs in modern U.S. coinage. The design reflects strength, leadership, and national pride. Paragraph 3 Reverse Design. The reverse of the 1972 Eisenhower dollar features a magnificent bald eagle descending toward the surface of the moon while holding an olive branch. This design was inspired by the Apollo 11 mission insignia and symbolizes America's success in space exploration. Above the eagle appears the inscription United States of America Together with the national motto E Pluribus Unum. The denomination $1 is displayed below the eagle. The reverse was also designed by Frank Gasparo and combines patriotic symbolism with scientific achievement. Collectors pay close attention to the details of the eagle, the moon's surface, and the earth shown in the background. Strong strikes reveal crisp feathers and clear surface details. The reverse remains one of the most beautiful and meaningful designs ever placed on an American dollar coin. It celebrates both national unity and mankind's greatest achievements in space exploration. This design continues to be admired by collectors around the world. Paragraph 4 Coin Specifications. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar was struck in a large format, making it one of the biggest circulating coins ever issued by the United States Mint. The regular circulation coin is composed of 75% copper and 25% nickel bonded to a pure copper core, giving it a silver-colored appearance. It weighs approximately 22.68 grams and has a diameter of 38.1 millimeters with a reeded edge. These specifications make the coin much larger and heavier than today's dollar coins. Collectors often use the weight and diameter to verify authenticity. The large size allowed the mint to include detailed artwork on both sides of the coin. Although most circulation strikes were clad, special collector editions produced in San Francisco contained 40% silver. Understanding these official specifications helps collectors identify different versions of the 1972 Eisenhower dollar. Every serious collector should know these important technical details before buying or selling the coin. Paragraph 5. Mint marks and mintage. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar was produced at 3 United States mint facilities: Philadelphia, no mint mark; Denver, D; and San Francisco, S. Philadelphia and Denver struck circulation coins, while San Francisco produced special 40% silver collector versions and proof coins. Millions of clad dollars were produced for circulation, making most worn examples relatively common today. However, some mint locations and special collector editions are much more desirable. Collectors always examine the mint mark because it helps identify the coin's origin and rarity. The San Francisco silver issues are especially popular because of their precious metal content and lower mintages. Mint mark identification is one of the first steps in determining collector value. Every mint produced coins with slightly different characteristics that advanced collectors enjoy studying. Understanding mint marks is essential for building a complete Eisenhower dollar collection. Knowledge of mintage figures also helps explain why certain coins are more valuable than others. Paragraph 6. The famous 1972 Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3 reverse. One of the most exciting facts about the 1972 Eisenhower dollar is that the Philadelphia Mint produced 3 different reverse varieties, known as Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. These varieties are identified by the appearance of the earth above the eagle on the reverse side. The Type 2 variety is the rarest and most valuable because it was struck from a special reverse die with different earth details. Collectors search carefully for this variety because it can be worth far more than ordinary $1,972. The easiest way to identify the different types is by comparing the shape and islands shown on the earth. Many valuable discoveries have been made by collectors checking old coin collections. Learning these varieties is one of the most important skills for Eisenhower dollar enthusiasts. Even experienced collectors enjoy searching for the elusive Type 2 reverse. This single variety has made the 1972 Eisenhower dollar one of the most interesting modern U.S. coins. Paragraph 7. Rare mint errors. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar can also be found with genuine mint errors that increase collector interest. Some of the most desirable errors include off-center strikes, broad strikes, clipped planchets, die cracks, die chips, and double dies. Off-center strikes occur when the blank is misaligned during striking, leaving part of the design missing. Die cracks appear as raised lines caused by damaged dies, while clipped planchets have a portion of the blank missing before striking. Double die varieties show noticeable doubling on letters or numbers created during die production. Collectors should never confuse ordinary circulation damage with true mint errors. Genuine mint errors are much scarcer and usually require professional authentication. Error coins often sell for significant premiums depending on their rarity and condition. Careful inspection under magnification is recommended before assigning any value. Learning about mint errors helps collectors make informed decisions. Paragraph 8. Coin values. The value of a 1972 Eisenhower dollar depends on several important factors, including its mint mark, variety, condition, and whether it contains silver. Most circulated clad coins from Philadelphia and Denver are worth only a small premium above face value. However, uncirculated coins with strong mint luster are more valuable. The rare 1972 Type 2 Philadelphia reverse is especially sought after and can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars in high grades. The 40% silver San Francisco issues also carry additional value because of their silver content. Coins with certified high grades or genuine mint errors often command much higher prices than ordinary examples. Market values change over time based on collector demand and auction results. Always compare recent completed sales before estimating value. Accurate grading remains one of the most important factors affecting price. Paragraph 9. Professional grading. Professional grading plays a major role in determining the market value of any Eisenhower dollar. Independent grading companies examine each coin using the Sheldon scale from Poor 1 to Mint State 70. High-grade coins display original mint luster, sharp strike quality, and very few contact marks. Collectors pay special attention to Eisenhower's portrait and the eagle on the reverse because these areas often show where first. Large coins are especially prone to bag marks due to their size and weight. Certified coins generally sell more easily because buyers trust the assigned grade. Never clean or polish your coin before submitting it for grading, as this permanently reduces collector value. Proper storage protects the coin from environmental damage and scratches. Professional grading provides confidence for both buyers and sellers. It is one of the best ways to preserve a valuable coin's long-term marketability. Paragraph 10. Collector demand. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar continues to enjoy strong popularity among collectors because it combines history, large size, fascinating varieties, and beautiful artwork. Many collectors attempt to assemble complete date and mint sets, while others focus specifically on the famous 1972 Type II reverse. Silver collector issues from San Francisco are also highly desirable. The coin appeals to both beginners and advanced numismatists because it offers affordable entry-level collecting along with rare high-value varieties. As more collectors study modern U.S. coins, interest in the Eisenhower dollar series continues to grow. Its connection to President Eisenhower and the Apollo moon landing gives it lasting historical importance. Even ordinary examples remain interesting because of their impressive design and historical background. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar has earned a respected place in American numismatics. It remains one of the most rewarding modern dollar coins to collect. Paragraph 11. How to identify a valuable 1972 Eisenhower dollar. If you own a 1972 Eisenhower dollar, the first step is to identify its mint mark and reverse variety. Check whether the coin was minted in Philadelphia, Denver, or San Francisco by looking below Eisenhower's neck for a mint mark. Next, carefully examine the reverse design, especially the earth above the eagle, to determine if your coin is the rare Type II variety. Use a magnifying glass to inspect the lettering, date, and eagle for any signs of doubling or other mint errors. Coins with original mint luster and very little wear are usually more valuable than heavily circulated examples. Avoid cleaning the coin because cleaning permanently damages the original surfaces and reduces collector value. Store the coin in a protective holder to prevent scratches and environmental damage. Compare your coin with certified examples before estimating its value. If you believe you have a rare variety, consider professional authentication. Careful examination can reveal a hidden treasure. Paragraph 12. Interesting facts about the coin. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar is remembered as one of the most fascinating coins in the modern U.S. dollar series. It honors President Dwight D. Eisenhower while also celebrating America's achievement in landing astronauts on the moon. The reverse design was inspired by the Apollo 11 mission insignia, making the coin popular with both coin collectors and space enthusiasts. It was one of the last large-size dollar coins produced for circulation in the United States. Because of its large size and weight, many Americans preferred paper dollar bills, limiting the coin's everyday use. Today, collectors appreciate its historical significance much more than the general public did during its circulation years. The existence of 3 different reverse types has made the 1972 issue especially exciting to collect. Many people have discovered valuable Type II coins in old collections. These unique characteristics continue to make the coin highly desirable. It remains one of the highlights of the Eisenhower dollar series. Paragraph 13. Long-term collector demand. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar has maintained strong collector interest for decades because of its history, varieties, and attractive design. Collectors around the world continue searching for well-preserved examples, especially the rare Type II reverse. Certified mint state coins often command much higher prices than circulated examples because of their superior condition. The silver San Francisco issues are also popular among investors due to their precious metal content. As interest in modern U.S. coins continues to grow, demand for important Eisenhower dollar varieties is expected to remain strong. Many collectors enjoy completing full date and mint collections, making the 1972 issue an essential part of the series. Historical importance, rarity, and eye appeal all contribute to long-term demand. Every collector appreciates coins that combine history with collectible value. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar continues to earn respect among numismatists worldwide. It is considered one of the most important modern American dollar coins. Paragraph 14. Final advice for collectors. Before buying or selling any 1972 Eisenhower dollar, always take time to research the coin carefully. Learn how to identify the Type I, Type II, and Type III reverse varieties because this knowledge can make a significant difference in value. Handle the coin only by its edges to protect the surfaces from fingerprints and damage. Never clean or polish the coin because collectors strongly prefer original surfaces. If your coin appears to be in exceptional condition or has a possible mint error, consider submitting it to a professional grading service. Study recent auction results to understand realistic market values rather than relying on exaggerated online claims. Building knowledge is the best investment any collector can make. Patience and careful research often lead to the most rewarding discoveries. Every coin has a story, and every collector has something new to learn. The more you study your coins, the more enjoyable the hobby becomes. Paragraph 15, Closing Outro. The 1972 Eisenhower $1 is much more than an ordinary dollar coin. It honors a respected American president, celebrates the Apollo moon landing, and offers collectors exciting varieties, genuine mint errors, and historical significance. Whether you are just beginning your coin collecting journey or expanding an advanced collection, this coin deserves careful attention. Remember to check the mint mark, reverse type, condition, and any unusual features before spending or selling your coin. You never know when you might discover a valuable hidden treasure in your collection. Thank you for watching CoinGrove. If you enjoyed this complete guide, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another rare coin video. Leave a comment below and tell us whether you own a 1972 Eisenhower dollar. Until next time, keep collecting, keep learning, and remember that every coin tells a story, and every collection holds the possibility of an amazing discovery.